What's up, Wayne Barron here with DarkEffects.net, and we are inside of Edge Animate CC, and we're going to be doing this. As you notice, we're able to come over here and click to start it, and then double click to stop it. So that's what we're going to be doing, and this came in from a question from Asmodin86. He says, "Hi there, what's up Asmodin86? I want to play the sound and click and stop it in double click. I'm trying typing my sound.stop, but no luck." Okay, well, Asmodin86, I reckon that's how you pronounce your name. The deal is that I no longer use that plugin, which is the Buzz plugin, and I don't use it because you really cannot find any good information on it on how to use it properly inside of Edge Animate. So I just stopped using it altogether. Instead, now I use what's called Edge Commons, and now you can watch the video and get all the information on downloading the plugin and other information on it by clicking on this link right here. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump in and let's do this lesson. So let's create a new composition. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is that we want to load our library. And so I've got our library right here inside of this notepad. So let's right click and copy this. And now this is going to be a download, so y'all be able to get all this information. So don't write me and ask me, well, you didn't type it all out. Well, the reason why I'm not typing it all out is that there's a lot of information here. So we click on our stage, open actions, creation complete, and paste this in. Now my internet connection really sucks right now, and so what I'm going to do is that I've already got it saved to my folder location. So it's js/edgecommons.js. And so, but anyway, what this is basically doing, for one, it's going to load in our JavaScript. Okay, once it loads in our JavaScript, then it is going to access this path right here. And our path does not have an S, it's just sound by itself. Then it's going to look at anything that is written right here, and it's going to say, okay, we want to load this. Okay, so to begin with, since we only have one line, we do not need a comma. Now, if you have multiple lines, let's say that you've got car here and then you've got car 1 there, then you would have a comma at the end of your first line and nothing at the end of the bottom line. So you can load as many assets as you please here. It's just the very last one you do not want to have a comma. And so let's go ahead and get rid of that one and get rid of that comma. Okay, so basically that's it. The rest of it is self-explanatory. So now let's come over here and click that, and let's go ahead and choose this, and we're going to save it here as number 2-1. Okay, and let's go ahead and save it. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is that we want to add in a button. So let's go ahead and add in our button here. Okay, now what he asks is to be able to click on it to start and then double click to stop it. And so what we do here is that we open up our actions, we come over here to click. We type in the following: ec.sound.play, and then we type in our button, which is right here. So we're going to name that button, and then we're going to close it. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to come over here to double click, and except at play, we're going to stop it. So now let's close out of that, and let's come over here, double click, and then name it button. Okay, so, okay, there you go. Let's change this to, instead of button, let's change it to button. Okay, now let's try it. Load it, come over here, click, and it's still not working. So let's come in here and find out what's going on. button and button, button. Let's come over here to the stage, and it's coming in there. Sound, car. There you go. Okay, in here we have our assets. Okay, so we got our car, which is our sound file. Then our ID is going to be the name of our button or image or whatever it is that you have that you're going to be using. So in this case, this is our button. Let's go ahead and change this to button. Okay, now let's close out of that. And once again, Control Enter to load it, and then let's click. And there we go. Double click, stops it. Click it. Double click, stops it. Okay, it's that simple. So I mean, it's not a lot of code to add like the Buzz was, and so it's just really simple. So the link down below will also go to the main video, which is the very first video, which shows you how to hover over images and also gives you more information on using the Edge Commons. Also, below in the description, you will find a link to the Edge Commons website. And I give kudos to the developer. He did a great job on it. I don't know if he's done anything else to it here recently. I haven't heard anything back from him. But anyway, this is a really cool way to add into your project for stopping and starting sound. Okay, Wayne Barron here with darkeffects.net inside of Edge Animate CC for the first time in a while. Alright, y'all have a rocking time and a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, and whatever else that you call your Christmas. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.